Hello and welcome to my channel. I bought the new CMF Phone 2 Pro a few days ago and paid €250, a price that places the phone in the same budget segment as the Motorola G86 or Samsung A36. Is it any good? Let's find out. The box is sophisticated and offers a premium unboxing experience. Inside, we find a simple transparent silicone case and a charging cable. The phone has a plastic body with an industrial design. Unlike last year, the plastic back is no longer replaceable, but you can unscrew it to add a thin magnetic plastic back that also allows for lens attachments. The back plastic has a unique texture and feels like paper to the touch. The phone is IP54 certified, 5 for dust, 4 for splashes. The screen is protected by Panda Glass, rated at MOS 5, slightly below Gorilla Glass, which starts at level 6. A screen protector is pre-applied from the factory, so no worries there. The colors available are white, black, orange and light green. The phone is lightweight at 185 grams and I find the design very well done. You're bound to spark conversations in a sea of Samsungs and Motorola's. The display is almost 6.8 inches. OLED, very high quality, with a rated brightness of 1300 nits and up to 3000 nits in HDR. Unlike stock Android phones, nothing added the ability to adjust white balance. The fingerprint sensor is very accurate, although placed somewhat inconveniently at the bottom of the phone. The haptics are decent for this price segment. Unfortunately, the phone has only one speaker at the bottom, but it sounds reasonable. If you're an audio fidelity enthusiast, you'll need to use headphones.
That's my line. We're playing What's My Line?
That's my line.
That's my line? Rick has this doing pretty. And we're playing That's My Line. That's my line. There we go. I always liked you with wet hair. It's so romantic. I'm also gonna do cold boots.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
always liked you with wet hair. So romantic.
Is that how I talk?
Yeah, that's your line.
Now, let's talk about the processor. The phone is equipped with the well-known MediaTek 7300, which doesn't top any benchmarks, but also doesn't throttle. I think it's the perfect processor for this price segment. The software is based on stock Android with several enhancements from nothing that make a lot of sense. Lock screen widgets, camera mode presets, custom icon packs, essential key, essential space, the ability to block control panel access from the lock screen, something absurdly missing on Pixel phones, and interactive widgets that let you change settings without going into the menu. The dedicated camera app separates photo from video and won't let you delete photos from the trash without fingerprint confirmation. I should mention that in the first 2 days I noticed several bugs, but I wasn't prepared to capture them. After some updates, they disappeared completely. Nothing promises 3 years of Android updates. Now about the battery. The CMF Phone 2 Pro has a classic 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt max charging. I ran my usual battery drain test and the results were good, in line with other phones in the same price segment. The phone's camera setup is unusual up to a point. The main sensor is 50 megapixels, similar in size to the one on the Samsung S25 or iPhone 16, but it lacks optical stabilization (OIS). The telephoto sensor is also 50 megapixels. There's also an 8 megapixel ultrawide which can't record 4K video. The 16 megapixel front camera also doesn't support 4K video. The camera app is simple but includes plenty of options like full res, pro mode, portrait, night or slow-mo. Daytime photos are very good and nighttime shots are decent, especially from the main sensor if you keep your hand steady, since there's no optical stabilization. Video is also good, relying on electronic stabilization, which works best at 1080p of course. So is it worth buying? In my opinion, yes. I recommend it without hesitation. If you can get past the lack of OIS on the main sensor and the presence of only one speaker, the phone offers a very coherent software experience, a 2x optical zoom camera and a unique eye-catching design. What I like: high quality, bright and sharp display, sufficient battery life and very good cameras. What I don't like: only one speaker, no OIS, too few options for widget, font and screen resizing and limited app grid layout. You can only choose between 4 or 5 icons per row Pro in the default launcher. That's it. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Drop your questions in the comments section below. I actually read them. Thanks for watching.